Welcome to the new program, everybody. Today we're going to be tackling a new textbook, a bit more complicated, but this should help you start to form your own Irish sentences for those that have already taken my Silver Fáinne series. Some of this will look familiar, some of it will be new, but this is a good place to start as any. So this book is split up into 3 sections, which is lay, read, fragger, answer, and then Cur Gaelic or shall put Irish on this, or in English translate into Irish. So the first section, a hen, 1, fólam, a rish, fólam, learn. The first is te. I just want everybody to be clear, as it says there in Irish, the verb comes first. Te is a version of the verb be I fada. In the past tense, this is vi. In the present tense, it's te. And in the future tense, it's be. And this is what's known as mi realta, irregular verbs. They don't look like vi and be look similar to then te does to the two of them. It's irregular, mi realta, just something to catch you out. It always did to me at the start. I didn't understand that is a verb. Start again. Te is ag shul. There's a fada there. Listen to the pronunciation. Ag shul. Walking. Ag ri. Running. Ag eha. Eating. Ag all. Drinking. Ag gaira. Gaira, laughing. Agol, crying. Ag kainch, talking. Agdul, going. Ag chat. Now for those that are in my class, this is the word I always teach you to watch out for. Cha, T-E-S-C-H, house. Ag chacht. You can hear the T in this one. Ag chacht, coming. And far, the man. And than. And as you can see from my notes here, BH and MH with an A-O-U equals W. And with an I and an E, it equals V. So, and than, not and wan, and than, the woman. And puestje, now listen to that pronunciation, puestje, not pastje. Pastje is a patch of land, and puestje, the child. And Kalin, the girl. And buchel, but in Ulster you can also hear and gassier. And Munshore, the teacher. Amach, out. Then we'll have ischa, in. Awala. Now I know in other dialects that's awalya, but where I'm from, awala. Next we have ke, who. So in Irish, the verb comes first. Now look back to the top, underneath fólam, te, that's our verb. So most likely this is all we're going to encounter in this page, te. Next section, lay. L-E-I-G-H, lay. Now I'm going to read them all through first in Irish, and then I'm going to put them in English, just so you get a chance to hear it unbroken. A hen. Te brain ag shul. Rish. A hen. Te brain ag shul. A da, number 2. Te shan ag ri. Te shan ag ri. Te nora ag eha. Te nora ag ihe. Te maire ag all. Te maire ag all. Number 5. Te and far ag gaidre. Arish. Number 5. Te and far ag gaidre. Ashe. Number 6. Te and pueste ag gol. Te and pueste ag gol. Number 7. Ashat. Te and van ag dul amach. Arish. Again. Te and van ag dul amach. Ahacht. Number 8. Te and Kalin ag chacht isja. Arish. Again. Ahacht. Number 8. Te and Kalin ag chacht isja. Number 9. And ni. Te and buhul ag dul awala. Arish. Again. Te and buhul ag dul awala. Number 10. Te and muncher ag kainch. Te and muncher ag kainch. So in English, number 1, Brian is walking. Brian is walking. Number 2, Sean is running. Sean is running. Number 3, Nora is eating. Nora is eating. Number 4, Mary is drinking. Mary is drinking. Number 5, the man is laughing. The man is laughing. Number 6, the child is crying. The child is crying. Number 7, the woman is going out. The woman is going out. Number 8, the girl is coming in. The girl is coming in. Number 9, the boy is going home. The boy is going home. Number 10, the teacher is talking. The teacher is talking. Wish you have a hard day. Well done, everyone. Now we've got Fragger, which is answer. Now, conveniently, the answer to number 1 is lay a hen, which is read number 1. May seem counterproductive, but we're not here to make you struggle, only to help you learn. So, just so you can hear the question, and this is important too, you don't just want to know answers, you also need to know how to ask these back to other people as well. So pay particular attention to both these things, to read it and to know how to ask the question. It's not just a prompt for you, it's a tool for you to use with other people. So, ke te ag siúl? Oh, te brian ag siúl. Ke te ag ri? Te Sean ag ri. Ke te ag ihe? Te Nora ag ihe. Ke te ag all? Pardon me. Te maidre ag all. Ke te ag gaire? Te and far ag gaire. Far ag gaire. Ke te ag gol? Te and pueste ag gol. Ke te ag dul amach? Te and van ag dul amach. Ke te ag gaire? No, Ke te ag cha is ja. Te and Calin ag cha is ja. Ke te ag dul awala? Te and buhul ag dul awala. Ke te ag kainch? Te and muncher ag kainch. We shiv everyone. Well done, everyone. So last and not least, Cur Gaelic Shaw. Cur Gaelic Shaw. Translate into Irish. translate into Irish. Now you've got all the tools here, so appropriately at this time, pause the video and give it a wee try. You've got everything you need on the page above you. There's nothing here that you haven't already covered. So I'm going to pause for about 5 seconds just to give you a chance so you can pause here and attempt them. Right, now I'm going to give you the answers. Again, number 1. Te nóra ag rí. Arish. Te nóra ag rí. Number 2. Te brian ag cainch. Te brian ag cainch. Te Sean ag chat. Te Sean ag chat. Te and Calleen ag goal. Number 4. Te and Calleen ag goal. Number 5. Te and Munshur ag gaire. Te and Munshur ag gaire. Number 6. Te and Far ag chat. Number 6. Te and Far ag chat. Number 7. Te and Van ag dul awala. Te and Van ag dul awala. Number 8. Te and Puestje ag ihe. Te and Puestje ag ihe. Number 9. Te and Buchel ag all. Rish. Te and Buchel ag all. Number 10. Te nóra ag teacht iste. Te nóra ag teacht iste. Number 11. Te éimeann ag dul amach. Te éimeann ag dul amach. Number 12, last but not least. Te níl ag teacht awala. Te níl ag teacht awala. Correct, Niha. Muy Shiva Harja. Finished. Well done, everyone. Bit of a bigger lesson than you used to, but you did very well.